Hey guys, so welcome back. So this is our day 8 of 365 days of coding, and today the problem in front of us is bit I would say arithmetic operation related problem. Okay, so you can pause the video to give a good read to this problem, and meanwhile I will write my understanding of this problem. Okay, so let's write what we understood from this problem. Okay, so what we have understood from this problem is that there are two things: exchange amount and total saving, which we will take as input from the user, and finally in the output we will print the remaining saving. मतलब after spending, what will be the remaining saving, we need to print that. Now in order to solve this problem, so let's write our approach in the plain English, and then we will move towards coding this part. Okay, so let's write the approach. Okay, so we have wrote our approach. So what we are doing, we are taking input from the user, and we will create two variables, n for total saving and m for exchange amount. What we will do now, we will calculate the saving. And how will we do that? So we will do n minus m, and whatever we get, we will store it inside a result variable, and finally we will print the result variable. So let's try to write a code for this. So we have wrote the code which I have explained. Now let's try to run and see. Let's first see what input this question is giving. So it is 116 and 12, and the output we should get 104. 116 and 12. So let's give 116 and then 12, and the output we are getting is 104. So we are correct. So means our approach is correct. Now let's see what we can improve in here. So as you can see, this variable is okay, this variable is also okay, but this result, this is not needed, right? We can directly do this thing in the print statement. So let's write the approach for that. So what we are doing here, we are taking input and m from the user, and finally we are doing this operation inside the print statement. So let's write a code. So we have wrote our solution. Now what we can do, let's run and check if we are getting the same results at above or not. So our inputs are 116 and the second is 12, and we are getting the same results as ever. Okay, so let's sum up. So what we did, we understood the problem, we make notes, and we get these two notes by understanding the problem. Then we write our approach, okay, first approach, and we get to this solution. And finally what we did, we understood that this result variable is kind of unnecessary. We can do same thing in print statement itself. So we remove that in our approach too, and wrote our code, and we get the same result as ever. So guys, this is all about this video. Let's catch up in some not tomorrow, okay, in the next video. And you can consider subscribing if you want to code along with me.